sakit na. Naman siguro yung ulit. Like it's warm. It tastes different. My God, I think I ate worm. Sorry. Oh, I ate worm. Click like, click subscribe, click the bell button, so that if I have a video, you will know. When you eat them, you have to kiss them. Get intimate with the star apple. Intimate ba? Siksitan. Kiss. You have to kiss them. And intimate with them. Give them some love. 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 But I have so much energy. Just finished shower, guys. Look at my hair. I don't comb my hair. So who cares? Do I look like my oh. Okay, I'm going to mukbang one of my favorite foods, kainito. You know what is kainito? Star apple sa bukid na kulatahan ko sa akong mama tungod ani. Dahil di sugo ko, unya dugay ko ni ulit kay nanguha kong ingon ani, iya kong gitangbo, iya kong ginuog. So this is kainito, my favorite. This is very yummy inside. It's very creamy and like that I use like a milky one. I think this is only in the fortunes. I think in the other country we don't have like this, right? Okay, so when you eat kainito before, I just like them. Okay? I like them. What's that? Oh, very creamy. It's kainito fruit. For my beauty and for my brain. Why, what happened to my brain? Am I going insane? Just cut it half because I will gonna bite them like a piranha. Right? In the bukid, guys, I grew up in the bukid, as I always said. And we have like this, many like this. And also in our neighbor. This is the green one. And I used to climb. I always climb trees, fruit trees. Yes. And I get like this. It was fun. I always eat like this. That's why look at me. I look like a kainito, right? My brain is purple. Yes, there's a story about kainito. I will tell next mukbang. Because maybe I will cry. Okay, this is kainito fruit. Kainito, star apple in some other term. I don't know in the English word. Kainito, star apple, is it English? I don't know. Hello guys! This is Sweetie Bonita. Let's have some meal. My secret is fruits and vegetables, right? That's why I look like a monkey. It's crazy. Insane. Can you comment below? Please like, subscribe. Oh, guys, don't watch seconds. I will spank you. You watch at least 3 minutes to 5 minutes. If you watch 2 seconds or 1 minute, it will not count. The grandpa, the white the grandpa will palo-palo me. You watch full. It's okay. You can play. You don't want to look at me. Just play. Put in the other. Okay, let's mukbang while you have sumintok. Kainito food. There's a distinct taste. Creamy, juicy, like there's a map. It's white. There's a seed inside. There's a few seed like this. Like a guyabano. Guyabano. Guyabano ba tawag ka na? Seed of guyabano din. And some other people, they make salad that like this. They will like spoon and put in a big bowl and put more ice and some condensed milk. But for me, I eat pure. Because my beauty is pure. Organic. Paibog ko yun, no? Hindi na naibog ya. Eat. Like this. You can eat the skin too, so that you become more beautiful. But it's, there's parang tagok, guys. Ang kabalo ko sa English sa tagok. May tagok ba na? I don't know where tagok. There's I don't know. Hard to explain. If there's no tagok, I will eat the skin. Because I'm a goat, right? I'm a goat, I'm a monkey, I'm a piranha. My God, I 3 in 1. Well, they call me piranha. Well, some of my friends. Because I eat very fast. And I eat almost the bone and from head to toe. I eat the head. Why they call me goat? Because I eat too much vegetables and I even eat them raw. I cook vegetables sometimes raw. Amazing. You can comment below, it's okay. I will accept it. I will just laugh. Yeah. Naibabuhan. Let's go here while we're eating. Anybody want to join me eating? Comment below. Okay? We will mukbang together. I want to mukbang with with Tasty Factory, the chef cook, very popular. Like have 50,000 subscribers. Oh, so many subscribers. Let's support me. Like, very nice, right? Pait na dito. Chef Harris, I want to challenge you. We mukbang bulad. Dahil na dito. We mukbang bulad. Stinky fried fish. Cornito is a fruit rich in milk. Lain mo gito. Naman siguro yung ulot. Like it's warm. It tastes different. My God, I think I ate warm. Sorry. Oh, I ate warm. Oh. Sorry, I threw up. It's warm. Ay, na 7 minutes na. Wala pa ako nahuman. My God, mga suko na sa ating mga batang people ron. Ang maging ka. Pagkaon kong ulit akong isa. Isa man tuoy na yung liho. There's a saying, guys, in the bukid. Ang lagpot good po, grabe ang lagpot good po. Guys, asingin kong bukid guys. Kana daw mo, unang talinis akong tingog, kaya daon akong ulog sa gamay pa. Warm ba? It's warm. Win amyang. Star apple rich in multivitamin and minerals. Good for my beauty and brain. For my brain, because my brain is lack of English. Sorry guys, wala akong kasosyal-sosyal. Kasi lang ngayon ko. My face looks social, right? If I don't talk and like behave like very slowly. Iya ba ang social na sinay mukha ko? I'm not a social. I'm a cowboy. Ikaw din. I eat with what I want. I don't care if people look at me like, who's this girl? She look okay. She look like a daughter of rich people, but she eat like a squatter. I'm not social. I grew up very poor. That's why you can see me. How many minutes na? Hindi lang ako dun, oy. At ino, naku ibigutan na. Okay na eh. Balag mo ng suko mo. Please don't get angry. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching full video. You click everything. Click anything that like have some tone. Click like, click subscribe, click the bell button. So that if I have a video, you will know. So I almost finished them all. So how many is those? 2 for 6. 6, right? So I have half. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Star apple. What's that? When you eat them, you have to kiss them. Get intimate with the star apple. Intimate ba? Siksitan. Kiss. You have to kiss them. And intimate with them. Give them some love. Because it's the way you eat it. I'm not gonna use a spoon. Social. Hindi ako magpa-social, guys. Hindi ako pretend na magpa-social ko. Dili ko. Kung what you see is what you get. What you see in my video, that's who I am. In real life. Tingnan pa sa I don't like pa-social. Yung mag-up ka na social na abiga. Hindi like ko. I can't do that. I am be myself. Na, naunsa na. English nga to. Dirita musika sa itong English. Ano ba? Hello? I eat them all. See? I eat a lot. Please like, subscribe. Tala. Love you. Love. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is my dinner for tonight. It's a pineapple. Half of the pineapple. I will going to eat all of this. See, boost our immune system because the disease all over. Need to eat pineapple, very healthy, full pack of nutrients. Okay, so I don't have to video my fries for today. Have a good day. Let's eat. Welcome back to my channel. This is I just want to show you my meal for today. That's it. A cucumber with Century Tuna. Yes, it's high in omega-3. It's fish, so it's healthy, right? And also the cucumber, it's also very, very healthy. Lots of nutrients and high in fiber. So that's it, my meal for today. Just wanted to show you. And my face for today is hiding. I look so messed up. Be safe, guys. Love you. Mwah. Welcome back to my channel. This is Witty Bonita. So for now, I want to show you my dinner. I don't want to video my face because my face is freaking exhausted with so much emotion. This is, everything is C. Why? C is C. To fight all the C, disease, the CV, you know. You're not allowed to mention, sabi ni Lolo. So this is a lemon drinks. Why there's a lot of chunk there? I remove the skin and smash the zest. So this is a lemon drinks with hot water and a little bit sugar and the turmeric because it's anti-bacteria and everything, all the disease. And another orange. It's all C. So this is my dinner. Okay, guys, be safe. Have a good day. Have a good night. Have a good afternoon. Let's have a meal. Everything is C. A, B, C, big C, okay? Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Witty Bonita. That's my breakfast for today. It's fried banana saba. Cardaba. Taga-bukid yun ko, no? Kaya nga, no? Sige kung kaon aning mga saging, kamuti, balanghoy. Akong mga pagkaon kay kuan gyud siya. Obvious or obvious. Obviously, taga-bukid gyud ko, mahalata gyud sa akong mga pagkaon ba. Dapat mga burger, mga bread, mga unsa dinha kanang mga sosyalon. Saging, pirmi na lang saging, marag tuig na ginaog saging akong mga vlog, puro na lang saging kamuti. Nagsawa na mo ba? Ayaw taon magpagsawa sa ako ang pagkaon kay mo ni nakagwapas ako Hello, Ana. Shirley, Skytot, Maria Altamia, Green Lake de Prado, Chef Harris, hello to all of you,
Speaking of Binignit, oh my God, my amiga, Leng just dropped it by a minute ago in the traffic light in the police station. She gave me Binignit. We just talked a while ago, Binignit. It's here. I just pick it up in the road. Doon sa may sa may police. May police kasi harang-harang sa daan eh. Doon lang siya, hanggang doon lang siya. Wala, binigyan niya ako ng Binignit. Oh my God, my Holy Week is complete.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Witty Bonita. This is my brunch. Not so healthy, right? Look at the banana. The banana is getting dark because it's quarantine. So what we have is we buy grocery once every 2 weeks. Right? So, the banana, it's getting dark. It's darker than the lubot ng... What the heck is this banana? This, guys, is only the skin. But inside, it's very still okay. So, meatloaf, bread, and coffee. That's it, guys. I don't want to show my face. Have a good... Hello, everyone. Welcome. So, we're... moment in time, we're all isolated, so we need to budget our meal. So this is a budget meal. So I am eating now this dried fish, fried rice, and 2 eggs. It's not really healthy, the dried fish, but the eggs are very healthy protein. So this is my late lunch, early dinner. So I eat only twice a day. It's crisis now, so we need to budget and we need to eat something like this that not really expensive, because we all know now that we're in the middle of difficulty in our lives. So I just want to show you that I'm eating like this. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hello guys, how you? That's my meal for today. Not so healthy, it's only noodles, but I add them a cabbage. That's it guys. I don't want to show my face. Have a good day. Welcome back to my channel. This is Witty Bonita. Self-quarantine. Let's eat red rice with egg and pork luncheon meat with coffee. This is my brunch because it is a self-quarantine, community quarantine. You don't need to go out, you need to stay at home. Mga onata ninyo!